Before you build beds, buy plants, amend your soil, there's something you need to decide for yourself. Is growing vegetables actually worth it? And to answer that, you have to answer, what does worth it mean to you? Worth can mean different things to different people. It can be money, time, independence, food safety, or just having a good reason to step outside every day. If you're just growing inexpensive vegetables, carrots, potatoes, onions, the mathematics or the arithmetic doesn't add up. Between beds, seeds, plants, and time, it can cost more than many people expect. If your only goal is cheap food, then growing your own vegetables may not be the right thing. And that's okay. Gardening doesn't have to save money to be worthwhile. When you grow your own food, you know where it came from. You know how it was handled. You're very unlikely to become sick from food that you grew yourself. And for many people, that adds a real peace of mind. And that's hard to put a price on. Another concern is time. Putting in a garden, harvesting, this all takes effort, and there's no way of getting around that. But once the garden is planted and growing, care can be down to 10 minutes a day. And some days, it's nothing at all. Most days, it's just this. Nothing beats stepping outside and grabbing what you need for a meal. And for some people, the real value is in quiet time. Being outside, paying attention to what's growing, getting away from your screens, feeling the sun, the wind, listening to the birds. So once you decide it's worth doing, the next question is, where does the garden go? Decide what worth it means first to you, and everything else gets easier after that.